Ouch! Beak first into the rock. Ow! Sorry guys, just practicing a little, goofing off with this little silly little puppet show. This is just a test of the... It's working out great. Look at it go. Alright, Birdie's knocking it with a beat. Screw the beach up, Birdie. Screw it up. Rat bastard. Look at this little birdie puppet. Quickly. Okay, the bird wrecked the set. Now what do I do? Oh my god. This bird's out of control. You don't go out here. You go over here. Oh, here. You think that's too much? Might be too much. I want to try to see if I could get this at a different angle too. Try to... I'm sorry, I know this probably looks very stupid to most of you. I don't know what I'm doing, so that's part of it. I just sort of imagine things and I try to go for it, see if it works out. Oh well, don't leave the bird on the rock, that's not nice. Just lay down there on the sand, bird. Alright, there you go, bye.